Still on the Father's Day celebration to celebrate and honor fathers as well as fatherhood, paternal bonds and how fathers they influence family and society, St. Paul Catholic Church joined the celebration as fathers take up roles like choristers, wardens and altar servers. Even the former Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, played the role as an altar server for this year's celebration wey shele for St. Paul Catholic Church, Airport Road, Benin City. Parish priest St. Paul Catholic Church Reverend Father Dr. Charles Omogete for his sermon focus on the responsibilities where people they expect from good fathers and constant reminder to fathers all over about their responsibilities as head for the family and say make them they always dey present and take part for their wives and pikins life.
Through the active cooperation, let us say, of our fathers, and we're giving birth to and nurtured. Today, many of us are fathers and even grandfathers and great-grandfathers. Today, my dear people of God, we also celebrate Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to you all fathers. Let us put our hands together for our fathers. Fathers, we are grateful to you. We thank you for all you do for us. Many of the things you do are unseen. Do you understand? Like I'm saying, you walk behind the scene. Fathers, as you are the head of the house, you need to be committed. You need to be committed to your home. The most important thing to you is your family. First, particularly your nuclear family, your wife, and your children.
The former Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, and other dedicated men for Catholic Men Organization of Nigeria can receive awards of certificates of service for their contributions and services to the organization, church and society as a whole. After the Mass, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu and Chairman Catholic Men Organization of Nigeria, Harrison Ogu, took mouth on the Father's Day celebrations.
When the husband let the wife know what he earns, and when the husband also know what the wife earns, for some of them that work, I can tell you they will be able to manage their home properly. But when one is hiding from each other, then there will be problem in the house, because the woman is not able to understand that the husband does not have. The husband is not able to understand that the wife does not have. And that is why the day you became man and woman, husband and wife, you share everything, including what you earn. And that is the only way you can have peace at home. I share all my information. I share, my wife knows what I earn. If they earn extra, she knows what I earn. If she earns extra because she works, she's in business, I know what she earns. So if I'm making donation, I know the capacity of donation I'm making because of what I earn. So I am advocating that the only way we can salvage the present economic situation is for homes, husband and wife, to retool everything about their life and cooperate and be sincere with each other. Times are difficult, but times that are difficult, there are opportunity only to the extent man and woman at home are able to take advantage of the opportunity. I always see advantage and opportunity in every situation. So for this year's Father's Day, I wish all fathers well, and I know things are difficult, but hold on to God, hold on to the garment of God, work harder, and that particular luck that you need to survive, that grace that you need to overcome, all of us will get in Jesus' name. You see, I'm a very good learner. And learning is what is most important in our life. We must continue to learn till we die. And I'm a very good learner. The governor of Edo State, Mr. Gov Obaseki, says that everybody has the right to support whoever he wants to support. But he forgot also that he doesn't also have the right to stop anybody he wants to stop. I will support an homeboy. I came into the politics to contest for governor of Edo State because I need government to return back to homeboy. people that understand our plight, people that understand what the people are feeling. The need, even the United Nations, they talk about need assessment. We don't want outsiders. We have experimented with outsiders, and it's not working. So this time we want homeboy. And today, I came in as an homeboy. Today we have only 2 homeboys in the major political party in Edo State. 2 homeboys are left. And the 2 homeboys that are left, one is in Labour, one is in APC. And I choose to follow another homeboy in APC. The man they are parading in PDP is an outsider. And we have also agreed that no more godfatherism in Edo. So the man the PDP is trying to protect now is the godson of Obaseki. And there's no way godsons can be governor of Edo State again. Anti-party? No. No, it's not anti-party, because I know that in the last election, the governor was one leg Labour, one leg PDP. So it can't be anti-party. Enough of English. Enough of English that take us nowhere. We are talking about governance. We are talking about the man that understands the plight of the people. The man that it's he who wears the shoes that know where it pinches. A man that have never voted, how can he be seeking for a vote? A man that have never voted is seeking for a vote. And you are comparing him with a man that was president of NBA or a man that is a sitting senator and that is really homeboy. And when we say homeboy, Akpacha and Akpokomiza, when they get to their environment, they speak the language. You can check the 2 of them. They speak the language. I have chosen one out of the 2 because I feel that my support should go for Monday, because I see him as I see him as innocent politician, somebody that is grassrooted, somebody that is truly homeboy.
To us in St. Paul, in every opportunity we have like this, we have to celebrate fathers because we carry a lot of load. So opportunities like this give us opportunity to celebrate our fathers, to also give them the impression that they belong to the society. In spite of their challenges, we also appreciate their sacrifices for the family. So we are thanking God for the life of our fathers and the roles they have been playing in the various homes. And all we are saying is Happy Father's Day to all men. To all men, Happy Father's Day. St. Paul, we are celebrating it in grass style. You saw our men playing different roles. You saw our men, the role that you see children playing ordinarily, you are seeing notable men playing those roles. That is sacrificial role of father.
Make una not forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisili, TMC TV News.